morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS, and I'm your EVS teacher. Children, in first video, you learned about a baby elephant whose name was Nandu, and you all know that we are in chapter number 3. Now, we will start the next topic of this chapter, and we are on in this paragraph. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilogram of leaves and twigs in one day? That means an adult elephant's diet is 100 kilogram. Leaves and twigs all are involved in this his diet. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Children, do you know what is the perfect sleeping hours for us, for a human being? That are 7 to 8 hours. But in elephants, the sleeping hours are very less than us. They slept only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. Yes, that is the special feature of elephants, that they love to play in muddy water. The mud keeps their skin cool. That's why they like to play with mud and water. Their big ears also work like fans. Yes, children, do you see the picture of elephant? Yes, its ears are very large, just like a fan. So it's they have to use their ears like fan. Okay, so keep them cool. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. Yes, now according to the paragraph, there are given two questions. So give the answer of the questions. The first question is, Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? Yes, Nandu's weight is 200 kilogram, but he is a baby elephant. Yes, now children, write here your own weight. Yes, do that question by yourself. If your weight is 25 kg, write here 25, 30 or 35. Okay. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Yes, in this answer you have to write the number of children whose weights together make the Nandu's weight. That means maybe if 4 students are in of 25 kg, so their weight is 100. 25 into 4 equal to 100. So 8 children together make the 200 kilogram weight like Nandu. So you have to write the weight of 8 student or 7 student here, and after that you have to add them and write 200 kilogram here. Okay. Now in the next page, fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tails. Yes, in this picture that is already shown that some elephants are playing together with water. They pulling each other, throwing water to each other. Okay, he thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? Nandu is a baby elephant, so he thought that he cannot play with them. If he will play with them, they may fall on him and he may be injured. So he thought, I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. So Nandu changed his plan and go near his mother. His mother, he called him Amma. She gently pushed Nandu towards the water as if she was telling him to go and play. Amma's reaction shows that she wants to tell him to play. Nandu loved to play in the water. Yes, Nandu was also a baby elephant, and you know that elephants are love to play in water. So he joined his cousins and go with them, and he saw that his cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Whenever he entered in the water, his cousins thrown a strong fountain on his head, and he become totally wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. Yes, the action was done by his cousins, and Nandu joined them and felt very happy, and he enjoyed a lot with them. Children, today's class is over now. We will meet on next video on tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.